The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Now we begin with excerpts of our exclusive interview with the president of the JPSCO, Kelly Tomlin, in the wake of the Supreme Court's ruling that the JPSCO's exclusive license was invalid. The JPSCO is to appeal the Supreme Court's decision to render invalid the exclusivity of its license, specifically to protect its contractual rights and assets in Jamaica. I had an exclusive interview with the president of the JPSCO, Kelly Tomlin, who tells me that the company believes it has strong grounds on which to appeal the Supreme Court's decision. What are the options open to you now?
Well, it's funny that you mentioned that. We do plan to appeal, but I do want to point out that the appeal is basically to protect our rights, our property and our contract rights. And at this juncture, we don't feel like we really have any other choice but to appeal. But really, that's our legal posture. Obviously, JPS has been promoting a partnership stance for some time, and we plan to continue to pursue that. We still believe, regardless of this ruling, that partnership and having people sit down at the table and talk about the energy landscape that we want is the best avenue.
The JPSCO's president appears confident that the court's ruling will not impact negatively on its plans for Jamaica.
We believe there is a better way to bring energy to the people of Jamaica. So there's a lot going on in the background. So in some sense, it won't affect that. We're going to move forward, building power plants or attempting to bring down prices, to continue improving our service reliability and continuing to improve our relationships with our customers. So all of those process improvements continue. All of the initiatives that are in place to open up the market will continue.
The JPSCO has a 4-tiered ownership structure. The main owners, Marubeni Caribbean and Korea East West Power, each own 40%, the Jamaican government 19%, and some minority shareholders 1%. Tomorrow, how will the court's ruling impact on the JPSCO's financials? How did the market perform today? Fall it did, but not significantly today. In fact, in stark contrast to yesterday's decline when the main JC index lost 1.3%, today it lost 1/5%, 24 stocks traded, with 11 advancing, 9 declining, and 4 holding firm. Winners included Access Financial Services, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica Broilers, JMMB, the 3 Lasco companies, Mayberry, and Scotia Group. The losers included Carreras, Gleaner, Grace Kennedy, NCB, Proven Investments, and Supreme Ventures. Now finally, on the foreign exchange market, both the US and the Canadian dollars weakened against the Jamaican dollar, whilst the British pound strengthened. The benchmark American dollar slipped 1 cent Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $89.68, whilst the Canadian dollar shed 47 cents Jamaican to close at $89.08. However, sterling strengthened by 28 Jamaican cents to close at $140.60. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.